Rocks!
Hi everybody, it's Flat Eric. Real Eric couldn't be here to teach you today, so I'm going to take his place. And with the help of Tara or Karen or some of the other teachers who are here today, we are going to do some exploring of rocks, some observing rocks, and some sorting rocks the same way scientists sort rocks. We'll watch this video, then we'll go to the stations and we'll sort the rocks.
Rocks! Some rocks have holes. Some rocks have fossils. A fossil is a trace or something left behind from an animal that used to live long ago. And whatever they left behind, whether it be a footprint, a handprint, an arm print, or even their bones or their shells, whatever they left behind turns into rock and becomes a fossil. Many rocks have fossils. Some rocks have lines and layers. Sometimes the lines and the layers can be different colors. Some rocks have wavy or curved lines. Some rocks have crystals. Some rocks are round. Some rocks are not at all round. We call them angular. Some rocks are made of lots of little rocks attached together. So, my friends, today we are going to explore, observe, and describe rocks. Rocks!
When we look at rocks, some rocks are just one rock. I look at this rock, it has an interesting texture, it kind of feels like sand. It has angles, like straight lines on the side, like a shape that maybe we just cut with scissors. But if I look carefully, it's just one rock. This says made of one rock, and I can tell because there's just one rock. If I can't read it or can't decide from the picture, I'll ask my teacher. I put the one rock on the side that is one rock. If I look closely at this rock, I notice I can actually see lots of little rocks stuck together. This rock is made up of lots of little rocks. I'll put it over here. And I'll go rock by rock. At this station, if there's lots stuck together, I'll put it on the lots stuck together side. If it's just one rock, even if it's kind of swirly with different colors, I'll put it on the one rock side. And I'll keep going until I've sorted all of the rocks in the bin. When I've sorted them all, I'll raise my hand, show my teacher. When the teacher comes to me and says, "Okay, you did it," I'll put the rocks back in the bin and move to another station. Remember, when you are holding the rocks, always hold one at a time with two hands, and the rocks stay at the station. One at a time with two hands, and the rocks stay at the station. Let's see if I can do it with a different station. At this station, I'm sorting into straight lines or no straight lines. Straight lines. One at a time, two hands. Straight lines. One at a time, two hands. This one has lots of lines, but they're kind of more swirly. One at a time, two hands. This one's kind of sparkly, but no straight lines. And I'll continue until I've sorted all of them. Each station has a different kind of sorting. Read the card, sort all the rocks, raise your hand. When your teacher says good job with your sorting, you'll put the rocks back and go to another station. You will be sorting rocks, describe them based on the characteristics that scientists use to understand how the rocks were made and what was happening to the earth when the rocks were made and since the rocks were made. Have fun sorting the rocks just like a scientist. Real Eric will be back very soon. Listen to your teachers and they'll tell you what comes next.